All right, so this is our garage.
Welcome.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is completely empty, besides a few things. We did it all yesterday. This whole area is actually gonna be converted into our snake room, which we're starting today.
Yes, we're gonna be sweating and working hard.
I finally convinced her to let me build a snake room. So we have our air conditioning unit over there ready for it, heating and air conditioning. That way we can keep our room perfectly by 80 degrees, 82 degrees. We already have the lighting and everything in there, so we're gonna build the wall today, see if we can get it insulated, get some drywall on there, and start building racks.
Yes, that's our plan.
All right. What's up, everyone? So I got Miss Harper back here. You ready to build a snake room? Oh yeah, so we got some wood. Just got down to Home Depot and picking her up from her grandma's house in the middle of nowhere. Done. This is about how big it's gonna be. It's 12 and a half feet by almost just a shy under 8 feet. I'm actually gonna go check with them just to make sure it's all good. If she wants it bigger, smaller, I can do whatever we need to do. But that's my plan for right now, and keep watching. Coming together. We're almost there. Woo! Good job, baby girl. Snake room, here we come. Extra wide door so we can get everything in there. This place is really coming together. Woo. Snake room. and paint. Inside is finally getting painted. Looks like a room now. Almost there. What you doing, buddy? You painting? All right, get those paint going, boy. Ready for that snake room to be done? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's getting there. So we are about 90% done. Just got all the painting done in the house. And just cleaning up the floor right now. Just make sure I get the last bit of gunk off the floor. We decided when we were doing the room that we're just gonna finish the whole garage. So as you can see, the whole garage is done. And the room is next. So we just got the AC pole put in the wall, got the walls painted. This was concrete because the house is like halfway underground. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but we decided to just do it black. And then we're gonna do some nice trimming on the top of it. We got that getting painted right now, it's drying. We are gonna do the flooring next. As soon as the flooring's done, we can start moving snakes in here. Hey, keep pushing one, I got the camera. Okay, so far. Woo. And this, look at that. Get it, baby. So far, so good. Getting that done. We're getting our cuts in. It's gonna be our wall. So AC. See how it works. Get one little vent. Oh, hard. Getting there. I got the room set up just with the AC, the humidifier, a fan, a heater, and just to see, do a little test run and whatnot, and it's looking good. 51% humidity, 79 degrees. I know you can't see that because it's backwards, but perfect. Really happy how it's turned out. That's the room. Woo! All right, so we're done with the room, finally. Yay! Yeah, buddy. We're moving these final snakes. We got the racks in there already. This rack's gotta go. As soon as those are in there, we're gonna move all the snakes in there, and we're gonna show you the finished product. Woo! You guys ready? Yeah! We worked hard. We worked super hard on this thing.
We did. We're strong now.
Yes, family. the projector. We got Miss Amethyst tracing it out right now. Then we're gonna paint it up. The master at work. Look at that. Look at those letters. Looking fabulous. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna work on this though. That was me. That's her. She's gonna finish while I do snake stuff. I did the window. Amethyst freaking killed it. This will be the stage of our new videos. That nice backdrop. Got a little bit of touch-up work to do, but man, it looks awesome. Hey, all right, so here it is. We have the female rack. It's actually gonna get another 3 or 4 tall. We have the male rack that this piece is being replaced, and we're gonna do it at the same height. And so that's why I didn't do the little covering on that. But we got our humidifier up there, got my cleaning supplies. We're gonna do some shelving and stuff over here. Obviously we got plenty of room for some more racks. Lids, stuff I gotta move. But man, this thing, it really turned out good. It's hot in here. It is 80 degrees exactly, 56% humidity. So it's working pretty good. We actually got a few more snakes in too, and we'll do a video coming next with the update on some more snakes we got. I'm really excited about them. One of them was Amethyst. She won on an auction, and she didn't even mean to, so. But yeah, they're really cool. Turned out real good. You guys, please let me know if you have any questions or anything like that on how to build a room. I'll show you the garage where I'm sitting right here. But I mean, the garage turned out really nice as well. We got the Scales family right there. I had to block off that window because it's getting kind of cold out here in Idaho, so I wanted to make sure it's nice and warm in this garage, and that way it'll keep the room a little easier to stay hot. But yeah, it turned out really, really good. Some snake supplies. Gotta have your deli cups. Any 6 snakes. That's stuff to build our heat tape. And here's the room. You want to see Miss Nova, she's doing a pretty girl. What else we got? Miss Marvel, always looking pretty. Let's see, how you doing, Mr. Flick? Looking awesome as always, big man. He's eating pretty good.